you know what your weakness is, you improve, not wagi. Nakita ko lang that she was crowned. Very nice. And Mimi was so proud. I cannot imagine I can imagine that it must be more nakaka-proud. Parang naisip ko kung si Ava, my daughter, or my daughter Isabel would have been, I would be so nervous siguro during the contest. Baka ako na ang aakyat sa stage doon. Ako na magkukorona.
Ma'am, anong advice nyo kay Michelle ngayon?
Kasi ganun din eh.
Ganun yung nararamdaman niya ngayon.
Wala lang. Kasi, how's that saying in Tagalog? Ang nagbubungang, ang punong nagbubunga, syempre babatuhin nila yan. But just do your best, enjoy, and just pretend they don't exist.